If you want to avoid doom scrolling at night, because I know that is what a lot of people do when they are about to go to sleep, they doom scroll and they forget that they can actually make money by simply looking at the same screen they are looking at while they're on their bed. And the best part is these jobs allow you to do them when you are in a quiet environment and you don't have much distraction. So this will help you to replace going through your phone all through by simply putting money into your pockets by the time you do these jobs. So because of that, I'm going to share with you 5 jobs that you can actually do to replace doom scrolling and make money from the comfort of your home while it is late at night. So the first one we want to talk about is customer support agent. This is basically where a lot of companies are willing to pay people to serve as the customer support agents. You're going to be trained on what to say and how to say it based on the information the companies are going to feed you with. And the best part is you can actually stay in your country and do these jobs. Like you can stay in Africa and work for a company in the United States. All you have to do is to make sure that you are chatting with people. It could be things that has to do with customer related issues when it comes to their products or services, or it could be people that are lonely that are looking for people that want to keep them company. Anyone you're interested in doing, then you can go for it. But you have to understand that some of these jobs always need people that are 18 years and above. And if you're not comfortable, especially with people that chat with other people to keep them company, they have some rules and it can be flirty sometimes, that you might have to avoid it. So you can check out for these jobs on places like Mod Squad. So you can find them also on LinkedIn. And there's some platforms also that are designated for people that want to chat to lonely people. You can simply make a Google search online to find such jobs to get started. And before you get started, you are going to be seeing how much you're going to be earning and other things that comes with the job before you get started. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. Now the second one is virtual assistant. This is a very serious job because you are going to be assisting someone virtually. You don't have to be physically present to be able to do the job. You just have to take instructions and follow them according to the instructions that has been given to you. So this job basically needs you to know how to read, type, and do stuff like that, because you're going to be doing things like running virtual errands for someone else to be able to save them time and to be able to save them money as well. So the good thing is they have a lot of AI tools right now that can make your work faster and easier. In fact, I have a video right here that will help you to do your job better using AI tools. All you have to do is just to prompt it. So you might want to check that out, and you can find this job on places like Fancy Hands. You can also find it on an Upwork and Fiverr, even on LinkedIn. I used to get notifications on LinkedIn for these jobs when they are available. So if you're interested, you might want to do it. Check it out. You can be doing things like typing. You can be doing things like organizing meetings, organizing emails, sending emails. You can also be doing things like making bookings for your clients. So those are the things you can quietly do at the comfort of your home at night while the rest of the world sleeps. So the third job you might want to do is transcription. This is basically where you are given an audio file or a video file and asked to type out what is said into words, and you're going to be transcribing it into a document. So all you have to do is just to learn how to read and write. This job specifically is required to be done at night when everywhere is calm, where you can easily hear clearly what is being said on the audio or on the video, and where you can easily type out without having any interference or disturbance. Anybody can actually do this job if you're a student or stay-at-home mom, provided you can read and write and of course some type. Usually you're expected to have typing speed of about 50 words per minute to be able to get started with this job. And you can get started by increasing your typing speed by going online to look for typing tests, to take typing tests that will help you to practice better to know your typing speed. So if you have a typing speed of above 50 words per minute, then it's a very huge advantage for you. Now these jobs come in different forms, like you can do legal transcription, you can do medical transcription, normal transcription, and a lot more. You can also be given numbers to type, so you have to learn how to write in both words and in numbers, and to be able to be fast, accurate, and be able to do repetitive tasks to do this job. So you can find this job on places like rev.com. There is Transcript, there is Scribby. You can also find it on Upwork and Fiverr. Even on LinkedIn you can find these jobs and you can get started as a beginner. The fourth job you may want to do is AI training. This is basically where you are going to be doing things like data annotation, image annotation, or you can even be evaluating AI outputs to be able to see if it's actually serving the purpose for which it is being created. I have a lot of videos on AI jobs that you can check out, and you can find these jobs on so many platforms from Mindsdrift. You can also find it on Appens. You can find it on a lot of other platforms. Like I have created a lot of videos that you might want to check out when it comes to AI training, and you can do this job quietly from the comfort of your home. To get started as a beginner, you might want to check out all those platforms. Now before we go over to the fifth one, if you've seen value so far in this video, please please don't fail to like and subscribe, and do well to tell me the one you are going to be getting started with in the comment section. I would love to know your thoughts. Now, if you want to learn a skill that will pay you more, that will not be like something that will be off and on, I have partnered with ISDF, which is Interaction Design Foundation, an online school which is #1 when it comes to online design, where you will learn a lot of things and they will hold your hand from the first day to the point of looking for a job, because they have communities that will help you after the course. They also have a job board that you can actually use to look for jobs, and they're also going to help you save a lot of money by the time you sign up with them. So if you're interested, do well to check them out, the link in the description of this video. So the fifth one you might want to do is ad rating jobs. Now this is one job that a lot of people are not really saying much about, but it's basically you rating the ads that are being displayed on Google. Like, these jobs are very important because Google wants to learn how people interact with ads, or where to place each ad to be able to get the desired result by people, engaging with its ads. So it's a very serious job, and you can find these jobs on places like Appens or CrowdGen. They are subsidiary of Appens, or you can also find it on Tilus Digital. This is another place where you can find ad rating jobs that you might want to do as a beginner and start earning from the comfort of your home. So if you're interested, do well to check out all these platforms to get started. And the best part is, you don't really need to have so much of a skill to be able to get started doing these jobs. All you have to do is to make sure you know how to read and write, and of course to follow instructions. So if you're interested, you might want to check out these platforms out and get started as the beginner from the comfort of your home. The best part is you're going to be earning in US dollars, because these platforms pay you US dollars. So if you're interested, comment the one you're going to be doing in the comment section. I would also love to know your thoughts on that. Please don't fail to like and subscribe if you found value so far. So if you want to build your own job and employ yourself without having to have someone to employ you or keep waiting for employers to employ you, I have a video right here that can help you do that. So you might want to check it out to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.